And let's find the solution to the differential equation, given that y of 1 is equal to 6. So let me just get started by cross multiplying here. So multiply, I'll throw the y over here and the ds over there. I get y dy equals 25s. My s's look like my 5s, of course. ds. Does that make sense? So just multiply both sides by y. So I got rid of the y over there. And multiplied both sides by ds. So the same thing happened. And it ends up over here. Now let me just integrate both sides of the equation. So the 25 can actually come outside of the integral. So I have 25 integral of s ds. Great. Now, what is the antiderivative of y? There's just a 1 there, so I'm going to add a 1, so get y squared over. Now these guys need to match up, whatever's on the bottom here, so that's a 2. Equals 25. Now what's the antiderivative of s? Well, same thing that we got here with the y. It's going to be s squared over 2. And we need to add a constant, call it c1 for now. Because we're integrating, right? So we don't know what c is. Great. Now, we want to isolate y, so just multiply both sides of the equation by 2. They cancel out, so y squared equals, we need to distribute the 2, and 25 over 2s squared times 2, the 2's just cancel out, so I get 25s squared plus 2 times c1. Then I'll just say, I'll make another constant. I'll say that 2c1 equals k. That'll make it a bit cleaner as we go on. So y squared equals 25s squared plus k. Now I can just take the root of both sides of the equation. And we get a plus or minus there, right? Because we're rooting it. So let me just continue over on the side here. So I get the root of y squared is just y. So I get plus or minus the square root of 25s squared plus k. Great. Now, we need to find out what k is. And now I can plug in the 1 for s and the 6 for y. So I get 6 equals plus or minus the root of 25 times 1 squared plus k. Now take a look here. We got positive 6, right? Positive 6. There's no negative there. So there's no way that this could happen. This little negative here. There's no minus. That wouldn't work in this case. We need the plus to make that happen. Because whatever comes out of the root will be positive. So 6 equals the root. 1 squared is 1 times 25 is 25. We want to isolate k, so I'll square both sides of the equation. 6 squared, 36. That's equal to 25 plus k. Then I'll subtract 25 from both sides of the equation. 36 minus 25. Sorry, 36 minus 25 is 11. 11 is equal to k. Great. Now we know then that we have figured everything out. So y is equal to the square root of 25s squared plus 11, because k is 11. So that is answer C. That's it.